Kajing penlongshan ni ke Lympung Meghalaya Games ke bala bo men sedang ke arpo terik ke la lingkot kan sakhi ki jing lek kai ke babon jat lat no ke jing kop jingi bat ke golf ke Banlong Ha West Giant Hills District. Menteri ke tanak di lek kai ubak Syakler Wadri ula pentikna bala de penkrek ki jakai lek kai. On penlong ke jing pli perda ke arpo terik ke la lingkot bat ki babon ki jing lek kai on penikun ki jakka per Ha West Giant Hills. Menteri ula ongru boleh kenduk pada menteri ketna ilek kai ke sorka pedeng hau niu benai belada ula pha ke jing ai jing mut ban pediang ban penlong ya ke National Games ke balai kendai haus nem arhajar arpenyo.
The opening ceremony will be on the 20th. As of now, all the preparations are ongoing, and everything is positive. 20th of this month is the opening, and 25th is the closing ceremony.
All the disciplines will be in Jawal.
Yeah, all the disciplines within West Giant Hills. In terms of infrastructure, we are ready to host the national games as well. As you can see, there are so many infrastructures coming up in our state across all districts. So I am positive that if given the chance, we will be able to host the national games.